8 residences that were looked into,
Yes.
and to include members of Mount Piru and Southside Compton Crips.
Yes.
Now, permission to approach, Your Honor?
You may.
I'm going to show you what's been previously marked as State's Exhibits 162 and 163. Do you recognize what these are?
Yes.
What are they?
These are evidence that we collected at the scene.
Okay. And without going into the addresses, is it fair to say that these were evidence that were collected from Dwayne Davis's house and Dwayne Davis's family's house?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to move State's Exhibits 162 and 163 to evidence.
Any objection?
No objection.
So admitted.
Okay, I'm going to first turn your attention to State's Exhibit 162. Can you finish that?
Yeah, you just want me to avoid the address, though, right? Sorry. We have to avoid the address, so maybe take it off me. Jessica, maybe take it off me while it comes up, so we can avoid the address itself. What page do you want, Mr.?
The 4th page, please. Actually, no, I'm sorry. Can you do the 2nd page first?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so this is the first address we're going to talk about here. And again, we're not going to go into what the actual address is, but do you recognize the people that are listed that were located at the address?
Yes.
And fair to say they were members of Mr. Davis's family?
Yes.
Now I'm going to turn your attention to the next page. And under on line number 5, do you see what's listed there as the receipt?
Yes.
And line number 5 is 1 hotel's receipt. Is that correct?
Yes.
And then line number 6 is 1 Compton Municipal Court subpoena. Is that correct?
Yes.
Then I'm going to show you State's Exhibits 163, if we can take it off us for a second.
Give me half a second here. Sorry, can we approach? I think you're just gonna have to show it to him, Mr. Wall. I don't think we can put it up.
Okay.
This is what it says.
So I'm showing you page 3 of State's Exhibit 163. Can you tell us what this document actually is?
Yeah, it's a receipt for property taken.
And then it actually mentions who is taking some of the property here, doesn't it?
Yes.
And who's that?
Myself.
Okay. And then one is a letter from the Excalibur Casino, is that correct?
Yes.
And then the other is an envelope addressed to Orlando Anderson, is that correct?
Yes.
And then the third is miscellaneous bills addressed to Orlando Anderson as well, is that correct?
Yes.
And all these 3 items were collected by you, is that fair to say?
Yes.
So from Mr. Davis's home, and well, we'll start with 163. We have from Mr. Anderson's home, we have a receipt from the Excalibur. Is that correct?
Yes.
And then and is part of the reason why you're collecting that receipt is because it's relevant to the investigation as to who shot Mr. Shakur?
Yes, we thought it might be significant that it showed that Mr. Davis was in Las Vegas at the time of the shooting.
Well, I guess in this one's Mr. Anderson, correct?
Yeah.
And then from Mr. Davis's house, there's also a receipt, a hotel receipt that was collected. Is that fair?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm going to approach. I'm going to show you states 160. And we're not going to talk about the addresses specifically, but the two addresses attributed to Mr. Anderson and Mr. Davis. One is at the top, and then one is at the bottom with a red dot. Is that correct?
Yes.
It's fair to say that they are very close to each other.
Yes.
I'm going to move 160 to evidence.
Any objection?
No objection.
So admitted.
So Mr. Anderson, was he one of the people that was caught up during the search warrants, this 38 house search warrant?
Yes.
And was Mr. Davis around during the 38 house search warrant?
No, we couldn't locate him.
So you were able to locate Mr. Anderson, but Mr. Davis was just not around.
Correct.
And you don't know why or how that is.
That's correct.
But with regards to Mr. Anderson, it's fair to say Mr. Anderson at that point is a person of interest, at least, in the shooting of Mr. Shakur.
Definitely, yes.
And then at that point, do you make him available for questioning with Detective Becker from LVMPD?
Yes.
And does Mr. Becker make an attempt to question Mr. Anderson?
Yes.
And did any useful or relevant information come out during the course of that questioning?
Not that I was aware of.
Now, let's fast forward a little bit. You were aware that 6 months later, Christopher Wallace, also known as the Notorious B.I.G., also known as Biggie Smalls, he was killed in Los Angeles. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now, was that in the Compton area?
No.
And so, were you responsible for the investigation to Christopher Wallace?
No.
But did you end up assisting the LAPD in trying to execute search warrants in an attempt to gather information on the murder of Christopher Wallace?
Yes.
And why were you the person, or you and Mr. Brennan the person that LAPD would ask for assistance?
Because we knew who all the players were, and we told them at the time that they had a little internal feud going with each other, and we were getting ready to do search warrants on them.
So you were getting ready to, they were having an internal feud. Is it fair to say that the 1997 search warrant served a dual purpose in a similar way that the 1996 search warrant served?
Yes.
So like in 1996, you have a war between Mob Piru and Southside Crips, and you're also trying to see if you can get any information related to the Tupac Shakur murder. Is that fair?
Correct. Yes.
And then in 1997, you had mentioned that there was an internal feud that had gotten violent. Is it fair to say that the Burris Street crew and the Glencoe Street crew on the Southside Compton Crips, that they had started engaged in their own violent feud?
Yes, definitely.
And as a result, and at that same time, there was some question as to whether or not members of the Southside Crips may be involved in the murder of Christopher Wallace.
Correct.
And so, were those two goals, or those two functions, part of the reason or the basis for executing the search warrants?
Yes.
Now, I'm going to show you what's been previously admitted as State's Exhibit 136. Do you recognize State's Exhibit 136?
Yes, this is a search warrant we did on.
And we're not going to talk about addresses by agreement, but it's a search you did on a different house from the houses that you did in 1996. Is that correct?
Yes.
And this is a different residence that was associated with Mr. Davis. Is that fair?
Yes.
Page 4 of 136.
It's not actually 136, but it is. Just give me a second.
In court's indulgence, Your Honor, we're just pulling that up.
Sure.
Jessica, you can put it on me.
And Mr. DiGiacomo, do you mind zooming in a little bit?
Yeah, if I can figure out how to make the Zoom work on this. Well, that didn't work. Let's see if the Zoom tool's not working.
Well, Mr. Ladd, we're going to do this the old-fashioned way. It's going to be up
Okay.
there, but I want to show you page 4 of 136. It's still up there on the screen as well. On page 4, we have another receipt of property taken. Is that right?
Yes.
And on line 4, what do we have?
See. A money due bill for the Monte Carlo Casino.
Now, in relation to this search warrant as well as the other search warrant, really you can only take property that would be related to the investigation, correct?
Correct.
So, like, if I couldn't take just any random property just because I have a search warrant, can I?
No.
You have to take things that are related to the actual search warrant.
Correct.
Now, I am going to ask you, did you spend, you said you had worked at Compton till about, actually, let me rephrase. How long did you work at the city of Compton for?
From 1983 to 2001. I'm sorry, 2000.
Okay. Is it fair to say that at some point the Compton Police Department got swallowed up by the LA Sheriff's Office?
Yes.
And did you stay with? Did you sign on to the LA Sheriff's Office after that?
Yes.
Do you recall approximately how many of the Compton police officers stayed with the LA Sheriff's Office? Okay.
Go ahead if you weren't
Okay,
finished. I'm sorry.
I don't want it to be like yesterday where we keep on interrupting each other. Do you recall how many of the Compton police officers were hired on by the LA Sheriff's Office when LA Sheriff's Office took over Compton Police Department?
Yeah, I'm not sure the exact number. I think there was like 103 of us, and I think all but 2 were hired by the Sheriff's Department.
Now, you ultimately left the LA Sheriff's Office, is that correct?
Yes.
And then where did you go to work after that?
I lateraled over to an agency, Garden Grove PD in Orange County.
Probably a little bit safer than the Compton Police Department.
You could say that, yes. It's still a busy city, but it wasn't nothing like Compton.
And then during that time period is when you started giving talks with Detective Brennan regarding your experience working blood and Crip gangs in Compton.
Yeah.
Is it fair to say that Detective Brennan is no longer with us?
Yes, he passed away of cancer several years ago.
Oh, yeah. You know, I'd forgotten about one of the murders I wanted to talk, or one of the shootings I wanted to talk to you about during the war that escalated immediately after the shooting of Tupac Shakur. So I'm going back a little bit, and I apologize for that.
No problem.
One of the people that was shot was a man by the name of Bobby Finch. Is that correct?
Yes.
And Bobby Finch was actually killed on September 11th. Is that fair?
Yes.
Where did Bobby Finch live in relation to Corey Edwards?
Next door.
Was Bobby Finch a gang member?
No.
Was Corey Edwards a gang member?
Yes.
And what gang did he belong to?
Southside Crips.
And do Bobby Finch and Corey Edwards look alike?
Yes, they did.
Steel pass witness.
Does anyone need to use the restroom before we get into cross? Seeing no hands, Mr. Sampt. Oh. We're good? You're good? Restroom. Okay, perfect. All right. During this recess, you're admonished not to talk or converse amongst yourselves or with anyone else on any subject connected to the trial, or read, watch, or listen to any report or commentary on the trial of any person connected with this case by any medium of information, including without limitation, newspaper, television, the internet, and radio, or form or express any opinion on any subject connected with the trial until the case is submitted to you. We'll have you guys back here at, let's say, 2:15. Please rise for the jury.